Hey YouTubers, Scott Hervey with Scott Hervey Photography Out and More. It is November, middle of November, 13th to be exact, and I'm going to be heading out a little bit just to check out and see if there's any fall colors left. Missed my mountain trips this year due to my back injury and my wife's work schedule, but that's just the way life is sometimes. And today I'm actually going to be checking out a spot on Lake Macintosh. It's the southern end in Whitsett. Lake Macintosh in the Burlington area actually has two marinas, one in Burlington and one down in Whitsett. The Whitsett one is on the southern entrance and also has a couple of short, easy trails that are less than a half mile, but you really do not have to go outside the marina area to check out the water and some of the other sites, which should be a short walking distance from the car. Actually, I needed to get out of the house anyway because it's been a few days I've been dealing with back pain again that's left me on the couch. But one of the things I'm going to be testing out today is this guy. Now, I did not do an official unboxing because you've all seen them all before, but I think you know what that case is. That's right, it's the DJI Osmo Mobile. Not the one that actually has a camera, but the one you actually attach your cell phone to. One thing I really like about this pack that it comes with is it's actually pretty large. I mean, I can fit pretty much everything I needed here just for a short day trip like today. Got the Osmo charger, although I don't know why I'm bringing that today, so that'll stay home. I don't have a way to charge mobile. Fits the Osmo mobile handle, which I'll be recording with later. Got a cheap little selfie stick, which I'm not going to be using to hook the mobile to. That's actually for my little Sony camera, which is like a GoPro. Now, this cheap little selfie stick, it's really not the best. I've submerged it in sand, submerged it in rivers, submerged it in salt water, but I'm just bringing it today. It's in case there's anything up high that I want to capture, or if there's any fish around that I want to go ahead and submerge my other camera. The pockets are pretty nice. I got my headsets with microphones, so I can have a lavalier style mic hooked up. Now, for my Osmo, I did already create a setup with a light and external camera, which I'm not going to need today. I'll show you that a little bit later. But the external mic, I'm still waiting on a cable to come in because, as you all know, cell phones use a different style connector as opposed to a regular mic connector. And then the other thing I can fit in here is, this is about the size of my little Sony external camera, which is not going to go in the pack right now because I'm actually going to mount it in my car and film as we go down the road. And that's just a little cap. So that's, and also this case right here is a spare battery for my cell phone. You always got to have enough juice when you're out in the field. So yeah, I've been playing with this little baby in the house for a while, and I absolutely love it. I've got a back injury that I've been dealing with for about a year now. This thing here literally weighs less than a pound. And focusing on my phone is not working a little bit too close. But yeah, it weighs literally less than a pound. I love the features on it with my back injury, and also the way I walk. I used to have problems with rocking a little bit, and let me go ahead and switch the cameras here. Okay, now we're back onto the other camera on the phone. So yeah, as you can see right now, I am not recording with the Osmo because just I want to show you a little bit about how the jittery and rocking that I get with my normal walking. So played around with the Osmo in the house a little bit, and it seems to actually go ahead and eliminate the rocking of my walking back and forth. So we'll see how it does today. And if you're wondering why my face is so red, I'm having a little bit of problems with allergies today. It is fall, so it's not a good time of year to begin with for me, but the other issue is about 200 miles west of here in the mountains, there's some wildfires, and we've been getting a little bit of smoke and haze coming down from the wildfires actually into this area. Like I said, they're about 200 miles away, so I'm safe. Praying for my photographer friends and other friends who are actually out in that area in South Carolina. So I'll go ahead and film more a little bit later. I'm also going to film my ride down to Lake Macintosh. It's about a 8-minute ride, so let's enjoy the day and enjoy the journey.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. If I find my way home, yeah. If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy?
Alrighty, I hope this is recording some good sound beat in this case, but I'm standing in front of the car using the Sony camera still. Just checked in with the Ranger, got the park map, and we're ready to go. Decided not to use the headsets today, and the reason behind that is the fact that it doesn't work so well with the gimbal attached. But I was glad to see that there's actually still some color here, and let's go and explore and see what we got. Yes, I am using Active Track right now, and it seems to be doing a pretty good job with keeping me in the picture, even though I move around. Oops, it just lost me there because I just entered a dock area. But I'm going to go ahead and switch cameras so that you can actually see what it is that I'm filming, and let's just see how well this works. Okay, so we're back with more of my thoughts on this DJI gimbal as I'm walking around through the woods here. One of the things I kind of noticed about is my motor did something really weird. I'm going to have to keep an eye on it because if it continues, yeah, I am going to have to go ahead and exchange it. Don't know why it lists to one side and the motor made that loud noise, but as you can see, I am using active track here again as I'm recording and walking, and other than that, it's a great little device. Just don't know what happened with the motor at that point. I went ahead and switched the gimbal back to medium mode because too fast. It was just listing around way too much and I could not get good recording. So, but yeah, so far do like it. Like I said, I'm not sure. I was hoping that motor incident is a fluke, but I'll keep an eye on it. And I just love being able to film the environment, with active track to keep myself in the shots as I'm walking around. Hopefully this is recording smooth because I am kind of like bouncing all over the place the way I walk. But just kind of enjoying a fall day here. I'll go ahead and let this guy pass and I'll record more of the scenery here. We're at Lake Macintosh. We're at the southern exit down in the Whitsett area. And this is the southern part of the lake as opposed to the northern part. And go back to filming a little bit more a little bit later. Okay, well, get a little mixed up on the map here. Apparently I was going to go look for a rock bridge. Well, apparently this is it. This, my friend, is your rock bridge on the map that they were talking about. Yeah. Not what I was having in mind. This isn't too close, but if you notice, I switched over recording back to my little action cam. The reason behind that is I ran out of storage on my phone after about 2.5 hours of recording. I will say this, one of the issues that I don't like is the DJI Go app. It keeps crashing all the time on Android. Other than that, all the features seem to be everything that I was looking for. And like I said, I'm just going to have to watch that motor over the next week or two, see if I got a defective unit or not. But park is getting ready to close, so I'm going to drive on home.